Alright, so now that you know how to greet people and say goodbye in Brazilian Portuguese, let's tackle another super useful skill, confirming and negating. That's right, saying yes, no, maybe, or anything in between. First, let's start with the easiest part, confirming or agreeing. When you want to say yes or agree with someone, you can simply say sim. Or if you want to keep it casual, okay or okay. If you want to say fine, you can say bom or bem. And if you're agreeing with something someone suggested, you can say está bom or está bem, meaning that's fine. Want to emphasize that something is right? Just say certo, meaning right, or go a bit further with está certo, meaning that's right. And here's a fun one to show excitement or full agreement. Com certeza, meaning sure. É claro, meaning of course. Excelente, meaning excellent. Ótimo, meaning great. See? Easy. You're already sounding like a pro. Now let's flip the coin. How do you negate or disagree? The most straightforward way is no. Need something stronger? Try claro que não, meaning of course not. De jeito nenhum, meaning no way. Or for more dramatic effect, nunca, meaning never. Nada, meaning nothing. And ninguém, meaning nobody. Perfect for making your point crystal clear. But wait, what if you're not sure or it's somewhere in the middle? Here are two super useful words. Talvez, meaning maybe, and provavelmente, meaning probably. See, now you can confirm, agree, disagree, and even sound unsure, all in Brazilian Portuguese. Go ahead, try it out with your friends. Practice saying sim, está bom, or não, de jeito nenhum. Before you go, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big like, because the next time someone asks you a question in Portuguese, you'll know exactly what to say, yes, no, or maybe, without panicking. Agora é com você. Se inscreve no canal, deixa o seu like e vem aprender comigo. Rápido, antes que eu comece a dizer sim, não, talvez, sem parar.